What is up, my crypto peeps? If you want to know how to be confident in investing your first $100 into crypto, then keep watching. If you're watching this video, then congrats. You've probably decided by now to make the leap in investing in cryptocurrency. There's a lot to be excited about right now in the space, especially when it comes to making passive income from your investments. If you're a little overwhelmed, don't worry. That's totally normal. In this video, I'll virtually hold your hand to teach you how to get started and be confident about your investment decisions by the end of this video. We're also going to cover how to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the most secure and safest avenues possible. Stay tuned throughout the video as I'll be giving you guys some free bonuses and ways to get free crypto and stocks as we discuss investing as little as $100 to start with. Before we get started, I would really appreciate you guys hitting that like button. When you like videos like this, you'll not only be able to see more of my videos, but also other educational cryptocurrency content that will appear on your YouTube homepage. Back in 2017 and years prior, it was really difficult for the average person to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies at the time. Even when exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance were released, the average person had a difficult time understanding exactly what they were purchasing and if these exchanges were even legitimate. Now, as cryptocurrency is gaining traction with retail investors, it's so easy for almost anyone to have access to purchase cryptocurrency in a really user-friendly way. There are tons of options for purchasing cryptocurrency, and more are popping up all the time. This can be super overwhelming for a lot of people. How do you know which exchange to use to purchase cryptocurrency? Does that exchange even offer the currency you want to buy? Do you have to use multiple exchanges? These are all super valid questions. But to make it easier, you guys can actually find a link in the description with a pretty comprehensive comparison of the major exchanges. And exchanges have been developing like crazy, and they're all competing for your money. So there are also special incentives and free money that these exchanges are offering, which is included in that article as well. Most of these exchanges are only offering the incentive after you deposit $100. So here's a little life hack. You can literally sign up for these exchanges one at a time, deposit $100, get the free incentive or free money, and withdraw the $100 and repeat that for the other exchanges. Boom! Who doesn't like free money? Now, let's get started with how to actually start using these exchanges and investing in your first cryptocurrency. I think Coinbase is a really solid choice for beginners, just because of the user-friendliness of the website and mobile app. The incentives for you is really good as well, as they're giving new users $10 for free when you simply buy $100 of crypto. They also have this really cool earn program where you can literally learn about certain cryptocurrencies for 5 minutes and they give you free cryptocurrency into your account. I've also included the special incentive link in the description of this video, so you guys can click that link to get the free money incentive from Coinbase and follow along with me. So once you click the link and go through the sign up process, you'll see the Coinbase homepage. The first thing you're going to want to do with any cryptocurrency is to check out what the price is. If you are in this for the long haul, I wouldn't get too caught up in the price because I do believe that cryptocurrency is still early in its adoption. And if we look at the long-term trend of more mainstream cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, we're on an upward trajectory. A lot of experts are predicting Bitcoin to reach $100,000 and for Ethereum to reach $10,000. So if that holds true, it's still a great time to buy under those marks. For the purpose of this video, I'll go ahead and buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. You can also buy any other of the cryptocurrencies listed on Coinbase. So in this case, I'll click on Bitcoin and enter $100. You'll want to link your bank account, and thankfully they make it really easy and safe to do so as well. When you click on preview, you'll see how much Bitcoin you'll be able to purchase for your $100. And keep in mind that you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin. Most people can't even afford to buy an entire Bitcoin. And now that we know how much Bitcoin we can purchase for the $100, I'll just press buy now. And boom, you're done. It's literally that easy, and now you're the proud owner of cryptocurrency. Another important thing we need to discuss is how to sell your cryptocurrency. And this is a popular question that comes up frequently. I'll walk you guys through how to do this, and it's super simple. For demonstration purposes, I'll sell $10 here. That will go back into my bank account. So just click sell right now and it's sold. The process for using any other exchange on this list will be very similar. If you've ever used any other kind of stock trading app or website, you should have absolutely no problem with any other exchange. Let's talk about security for a minute. With any exchange you choose to use, I highly recommend setting up two-factor authentication. This just provides an extra level of security on your account for your own peace of mind. There are so many scammers and hackers out there, guys, so the extra 5 seconds it takes to go through an extra authentication method is well worth it in the long run. It's also best practice to use a highly difficult password. Don't use your dog or cat or horse's name. Speaking of security, I want to talk a little bit about hardware wallets. I've included a link in the description of this video that goes over full reviews of the best hardware wallets on the market today, so don't forget to check that out. Essentially, a hardware wallet just lets you store your cryptocurrency off of the exchange. It would be kind of like taking all of your cash out of your bank and keeping it in a secure location off-site. A hardware wallet provides an additional layer of security, keeping your funds out of reach from hackers, and if anything happened to the exchange, your funds would still be safe. Something a lot of people don't know is that if your individual account gets hacked, your cryptocurrency is not insured by the exchange. A lot of people don't know this, and so they don't think they need a hardware wallet. This is not the case, guys, and these exchanges are not the same as banks. If the exchange gets hacked at the exchange level and tons of people are infected, then it is insured. But if Tommy the hacker swoops in and decides to target only you, you've lost your funds. If you guys want more info on hardware wallets, I'm happy to make another video. Just let me know in the comments. I really hope this video helped all of you feel more confident about buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. It's really not that complicated, but a lot of people struggle in just getting started and making sure they're buying crypto in the most secure way. If you've made it to the end of this video, comment below, and I'd love to know what the first cryptocurrency was that you purchased. And just a quick disclaimer, if you decide to use any of my links, they do help support my channel at no additional cost to you whatsoever, and it's really a win-win. I do my best to get you guys the best offers out there, and I will never ask my viewers to pay me to support my videos. None of my content is hidden behind paywalls or courses, so it's all free for you. If you guys want to support my channel even more, please subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment below. It really helps with my channel exposure. As always, have a fun week, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.